Well, hey guys, welcome back to Shop Dog Fabrication. So today I'm having to work on my little generator. I went to go pull the pull cord here the other day, and of course it ripped out. So I tried to fix it, and the pull cord is only like, well, not far enough out to really start this thing. So what I did is got me a new pull cord. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to swap one out if you have never done it before. It's actually pretty easy to do, and it's pretty similar just about on everything like this. But anyway, let me go ahead and take this one apart here. We'll set up the camera and show you how to swap it out. So it's really just a very quick, simple thing to do. So first thing I did is I fed it through the handle. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot in this, and then I'll pull it through, and then we'll feed this whole thing through the mechanism. There we go. Double knot it. Got a nice tight handle. Now we'll feed it through. Okay. Feed it through the outside first. Handle's installed. I fed it through. So now what I'm going to do is locate the hole. Spin it. There we go. And I'm going to feed this in. There we go. Spin her around a couple times and try to get this fed in here. All right, guys. So now I've got the handle tied right. Basically, I thread it through here. I threaded it through the opening here. And what I did is basically, I haven't tied the knot off yet, but I pulled this a few times. You can see, right, I pulled this through, and then that will wind itself and pull it all in. So now what I can do is I can tie the knot here, and we'll have the cord installed. All right, you can see, pull it through. Now we've got her all installed. We can pull her. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this on here like so. And you can see without installing it, right, she's already engaging. So now I can put these 3 screws back in and give her a quick tug. All right, guys, so now I've got the cover reinstalled, and you can see she pulls just fine again. So that's how you go ahead and install a new cord on your lawn tractor, your weed trimmer, whatever. It's pretty easy to do to replace it and repair it. So guys, I hope this little simple video helps you guys out with maintenance of your equipment. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Have a great day in the shop. Talk to y'all later.